Welcome to our Grade 6 gallery. Thank you so much for visiting. When you click on the link, you will see that this is where it opens up to, is just like the home page. This video is just a brief introduction of how you can move around, just as a little reminder. First of all, you can put it into full screen on the left there. Now just click the feet to start moving. You can actually just click the feet all the way around. That's a great way to move around. And then if you click the S, you go backwards, the A, you go left, D to the right, and W forwards. So that's just on the keyboard. So S back, A left, D right, and W forward. And the arrows also move you forward. So the up key moves forward, the down key moves back, and then your left key turns it around, and then the right one turns you around the other way. So what I recommend doing is moving towards the corners and then just kind of turning around so you can get an overview of all the art, and then you have a good idea of where you can move. So let's go into the room over here. So I'm going to click my feet, and you have rooms that you can visit. Remember, back, the down arrow or the S takes you back. Just turn around to see what's in here, and you'll see that there's a video. We'll look at the video upstairs so you can see how to get upstairs. And let's go to the stairs. So I'm just going to go a little bit in front of the stairs, then use my arrow key to turn around. So this is the left arrow key. And then just click on the stairs and click on the floor. Use the arrow key to turn whichever way you want to go. And let's start with the video. So for the videos, just click play, and it opens right in the gallery, which I really love, and just click play again. And so it opens in the gallery, but you do have full screen if you want to click full screen, and we also have the X. This video is particularly good because you'll be able to see all my students' awesome animations, my grade 6 students. So I'd recommend watching this video, which is why I am showing it to you. Okay, so to get out of this one, just click the X. There we go. And the down arrow to turn around. And then there is another room. Don't miss the art on the walls here. Like I said, click the S or the back arrow just so you can see. Some of the artworks, the students chose their own artworks, 1 to 4 artworks, and one of them they've attached an audio to. So if we click on an artwork, this is where you'll get...
So for my final artwork, I chose this image because
this is where you will get an overview of the unit and the student's
I wanted
voice.
to do a landscape that I hadn't seen before.
It will play automatically, and then just click the X to get out of that. And then we can go back to the feet, and don't forget the last room as well. So we'll just turn around. I love how you can see through the windows. It's very authentic. And then just go back. So when you want to find out the artist, just again click on the artwork. It's going to open up and tell you who it is. Oh, it's Bella's again. We'll click on another one. And don't forget to click the X and then click on another one, and it will tell you. Again, if it has the overview, that goes on all the students' ones. And if they chose it as their artwork that they wanted to talk about, there will be an audio. And to get out of the gallery, just click the second one on the left there to minimize it, and you're back in the normal tab, and you can just close it down. So thank you so much for visiting. We do have a guest book as well, which is here. So you can just highlight, copy, and paste this, or the links were sent in the email. So enjoy.